Now, this is just one of the areas in Jammu and Kashmir that has been impacted due to continuous rainfall. Let's get you more details as well. Now, several areas in the Himalayan region are reeling under nature's fury. Continuous rain has battered states up the north, triggering catastrophic landslides, washing away roads, bridges, and also leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Now, when we especially talk about Jammu, at least 10 lives have been lost, 6 tragically crushed in a landslide near Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine, while 4 more perished away in a separate rain-related incidents in Doda district. So, in total, about 10 lives have been lost in this region. In fact, rivers are in full spate, dams have been forced to release massive volumes of water, worsening the flood situation in downstream areas specifically, including Punjab as well, which remains on high alert. Now, remember, all those who have been injured have also been taken to different hospitals. In fact, in response to this heavy downpour in the region, schools across Jammu have now been ordered shut, with authorities warning of no immediate relief from the weather, as more rainfall is expected to continue in the coming days as well. Now, when we talk about the damage, more than 24 homes, bridges have been damaged, with low-lying areas submerged, roads torn apart, and transportation brought to a grinding halt. In fact, as many as 18 trains to and from Katra, Udhampur, and Jammu stand cancelled. Meanwhile, internet and mobile services across Jammu and Kashmir are also down after optical fiber lines were damaged in the deluge. We're getting you visuals from Jammu, in fact, where you can see how rivers have been flowing. They're swelling up, they're flowing way above the danger mark. This has led to submergence in low-lying areas. It has caused bridges to collapse. Meanwhile, several houses have also been impacted due to this deluge. The pilgrimage to Vaishno Devi has also been suspended. A crucial information for our viewers, in fact, as have recruitment drives for security forces and traffic on critical national highways like Jammu and Srinagar, Kishtwar, Doda. Traffic on both of these highways, it remains blocked, in fact. Now, as far as the government is concerned, the situation is being described as quite serious by Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, with reports of widespread infrastructure damage pouring in from several areas, including Kishtwar, Riyasi, Rajouri, as well as Poonch. You can see the visual on your screen from Doda, the intensity, the spate with which the rivers have been flowing in the region. They have been, remember, continuously swelling up due to heavy downpour. And now, of course, we are bearing the brunt of these overflowing rivers in the region. Visuals on your screen from Katra as well. Pilgrims have been stranded as the Vaishno Devi Yatra remains cancelled as of now. The Modhopur barrage has also crossed a staggering 1 lakh cusecs, triggering severe flooding along the Ravi River in Kathua. So several rivers in the region are now flowing way above their danger mark.